Hi there, guys. Hey, guys, tell me, guys, would you like to earn more money? Would you like to have the opportunity to grow your business? You know, if you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're going to speak about how to grow your business online or offline. Okay, first of all, I would like to say thank you for all of you guys that are watching this video. It just says to me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. Okay? Now, grow your business, is a very, very awesome thing because if your business is growing, it's just going to lead to more money, which is totally very cool, more money to earn, I mean. The possibility of avoiding bankruptcy is going to increase, which is totally cool. And as your business gets bigger and bigger, it will become more popular and popular. You will attract more customers and customers, which going to allow you to earn money and more money, which is cool. Finally getting rich in no time will be something that is very soon to happen. Awesome. Not only if your business is growing or expanding, you're going to have the opportunity to offer jobs to other people, which is going to help them also help their family and pay taxes for the government. So the growth of your job is going to have a very good impact in your society, community, or your government, which is very cool. So think about that. Okay? Yeah. But now, okay, first of all, for you guys that don't know me, my name is Sebastian, and I am a personal development and financial independence student. And I am here to help you to achieve your goals by sharing with you my ideas on this subject of personal development and financial independence. Okay? Now, okay, guys, let's get serious. Okay, how to grow your business. Okay, now, if you want to grow your business, whether online or offline, you gotta be aware of three things. You know, number one thing it is clients. Okay, offline business clients, online business you call it viewers. Okay, or traffic or whatever. Yeah, clients. Okay, you gotta understand one thing. If you don't have clients, then you do not have a business. You just have a hobby. So clients are very important. And know how to get them and how to keep them is very essential for your business. Just like for example, let's say for example that you have a business, yeah, and then whether online or offline, and you want 100 clients, in order to make your business go move awesomely good, you need 100 clients. And you have also the opportunity to, how can I say, promote your product or your business to 100 people each month. Okay, so each month you have the opportunity to promote your business to 100 people. Now normally it should be like this. When you go and promote your business to 100 people, normally 100 people should be your customers immediately, isn't it? But in reality, it doesn't happen like this. What it happened, it is that when you promote your business to 100 people, and then if you promote it very well, what it happens is that 5 to 15% or 20%, they're gonna become your client. Not 100% immediately. It will be 5 to 15 or 20%. And then if you promote it, very good, you know? Because, yeah, it's going to happen like this. Let's say, for example, it happened this month, you promote it, and then you get 10 clients, okay, which is totally awesome. Keep them, keep them. Next time, that would be next month, when you're gonna get the chance to promote your business again, then you're gonna promote it, and then the same system is gonna happen. 5 to 15 or to 20% or 25%, one of these numbers, they are going to become your clients. Let's say that this time 20% of those 100 they're gonna become a client in the second month. In second month, now you're gonna have 10 plus 20, which is 30. You see, and then you go over and over and over repeating this process until you have your 100 clients, which gonna make your business moving awesomely. This is how it is done. Think about it. Now, another point, second point it is, which is very important, so pay attention, it is value. Value, okay? You may promote your business. People can come in contact with your business, but what's gonna make your clients loyal or coming back again to your business, it is value. You have to deliver constant and never-ending value to your customers or clients, This simply means that you gotta provide help or service that correspond with your clients or customers' needs, wishes, or demands. Okay? This is what you gotta do, You gotta know what your client want. Once you know what you want, then you find a way to deliver the exactly thing to deliver the exactly service that he wants. That's how it is done. Think about it. Go to the marketplace. Ask what your client wants. Once you figure it out what your client wants, then you go to pick up the product that you want, and then you can promote the product to your client. Okay? Whether it's product, service, or whatever, or training, or whatever. Okay? Think about it. This is number 2. Number 3, which is also very important, it is money. You gotta understand one thing. Once you decide to become an entrepreneur, you gotta start thinking about managing money. Managing money is very, very important factor if you want to grow your business. A matter of fact, you should do like this. Everything in the few years or few months or few days that you are earning money, when your business starts to become good and you start to earn cash from it, don't go around and spend all the money on the buying stuffs, car, and this and this and this and this. No, don't do that. What you're supposed to do is that pick up some of the money, 10% at least, save it. You have to have the habit of saving money, especially if you're a business owner. You have to have the habit of saving money, so that later you can use that money in order to make more money. That's exactly what it is. You're going to have to use that money in order to reinvest in your business, so that you can make more money, or reinvest in another business. It could be a stock market or real estate or something like that, so that you can make more money. And this is going to make you, rich in no time, So think about it. Don't waste your money. You gotta develop already the habit of rich people. Rich people, they have the habit of always saving money. That's why they have money. Then after they pick up that money, they use that money in order to make more money. Think about those kind of stuff. So if you want to grow your business, you gotta think about 3 things: value, clients, and money. You gotta manage those three things. If you do that, you'll be awesome. Okay, guys. Now, for you guys that want to learn more about how to make money online, then check the link below that is gonna lead you to this awesome course that's gonna teach you how to make money online in a very, very effective way. Okay? And by clicking on this link, also you will be offered the opportunity, to, how can I say, to get a free ebook that's going to help you to deal with the challenge of life and business, Check it. It's very good. Yeah. So remember very good. If you want to have a very successful business, you gotta know how to handle three things. You gotta know how to handle your money. You gotta know how to give value to your customers, and you gotta know how to constantly, how can I say, promote your business in order to get clients. This is very important. Okay, I am Sebastian. I see you in the next video. Ciao, buddy.